One from Team Sketch2React. I have my cap on. Let's do this. Today I'm going to show you a really cool and neat trick. Once you have exported Sketch2React code as HTML, a very handy thing is to set up a local web server. I mean, when you export to React, you get that installed by default. But if you want to add things to your code, in this case I've added lottie animations, you want to have it, you want to see what's happening in your browser in real time. So I found this trick. So what you need to do is you need to be in your root folder. You need to create a new file. Call this one package.json. And then let me copy the code. This is the tutorial I found. You need to have Node.js first. And then copy this code. I will share this code, of course, to the package.json file, save. And then you open up the terminal in Visual Studio Code. We are in this folder right now, and we need to install our web server. So npm install, and this will take a while. Let's just see that this kicks in. We are now in the future. It's awesome, amazing. And then after this, you just write npm start, and this will take a few seconds also. Let's pause again. We didn't need to pause because it was so damn quick. Wow, amazing. Let me just do like this. Let's put this one here, and let's put this one here. So this is really neat. Let's go to our index.html here, and let's just change something and save. Try to hover the sketch. You see, boom. When we hover the animation, this kicks in like that. And then it stops. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. That's what's all for me, guys. Have a great one. Cheers.